All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how to add users, delete users, manage roles, and so forth within Flowster. So start by clicking on the divisions dropdown. Divisions, by the way, are covered in another video. Most companies will probably only have one division. In this case, I'm in the demo division. Simply click on the pencil, and that's where you can change your division name if you would like, by the way. And then you'll have your list of users. So you can invite new users, or you can adjust member roles, or you can click on the X to delete new users. Now, I want to talk about inviting users because in Flowster, we have several different types of users. So I am on an enterprise plan. That's why it's telling me that I have unlimited users available with my particular plan. But the important thing for you to understand is when you invite a user into Flowster, Flowster is going to say, what type of user should this be? So, and the details are below this video in the workflow, and it explains this in text. But essentially, there is the administrative user, which you'll probably only have one, and they are basically the power user. They can do everything. They can add users, delete users, create divisions, delete divisions, add workflow templates, create templates. They can do everything. Then the next user, which is also a paid user, goes against your paid user count, is called a member, and they can do most everything except some of the superpower things that an admin user can do. And all of this is explained in more detail in Flowster's wiki if you would like to read it. But essentially, they can create templates, edit templates, delete templates, create workflows based on those templates, assign those workflows to other people on the team, and so forth. And those users go towards your paid user count. And then the final type of user is what we call a guest. And a guest user is someone who can, and they're free. You can have as many of them as you want. If you are giving a client access to your division, they would most likely be a guest user. If you have virtual assistants that are simply intended to be the recipient of workflows, do all the work according to the workflow, then do the next workflow, then do the next workflow, they would be guest users as well. Guest users do not have the ability to do anything other than work their way through a workflow. If the workflow allows them to upload files, they can do that. They can mention you, their superior, but they can't edit a template. They can't delete a template. They can't do any of those types of things. And so those users are going to be free. And as I mentioned, you can have as many of them in your account as you would like.